got the parts we needed.
For what?
So I can put the oil.
That thing?
Yeah, that oil plug back in the block.
The thingamajig?
Thingamajig and get going, you know?
Alright, so I guess I'll see you at the garage.
Yes, sir. Getting bitten alive out here.
So what are we doing today?
So yeah, just installing this K-Tone oil adapter. Since I decided to run a Dash 3 now, I was running a Dash 4, and I just had like some oil problems and stuff with it. So I figured I'd change that up and put this new one in. So I'll be installing this and installing this. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much. This is how it goes. This is just the reader for the oil for the engine harness, and then you plug these two up unless you're running turbo. So obviously I'm just running one, so this side would be on it. And I'm gonna run the oil pressure sensor on one of these also, so I have to see if I can make room in order for it to sit somewhere like that, and I'll be game.
You want to show them where exactly?
So this part right here usually goes on the back of the block. So this pretty much would go down here. It's kind of like hiding, like underneath the VTEC solenoid, and you gotta be careful with these, because sometimes I've seen certain people like crack them when they over tighten them too much. So it should be like almost like hand tighten, but not OD tighten, just to the point where you feel that it's tight, and that's that. You know, don't overdo it.
It's like spark plugs.
Pretty much, yeah, I guess. Yeah, but at least with spark plugs, there's a stop.
Yeah.
You know, this is like, once you go in, like, you're not really gonna know. I'm using this Ultra gasket. It's pretty much like Teflon, but it seals it a little bit better. So I'm gonna use this instead of me using like regular Teflon and stuff like that. Because I did use Teflon on the last one, but I saw a little bit of leak, so I don't want that to happen anymore. So I'm just actually gonna use the silicone, and I'm gonna put it on and just let it sit for like at least an hour or two, and just let it sit overnight pretty much, and it should seal completely, and hopefully I have no oil spills coming out from here. Even though I didn't with the Teflon, but I saw it kind of like creeping out, so I didn't like that. So I just want to make sure that I have no oil spill anywhere. And yeah, so I'm gonna proceed with that and get that going. That's it. So I have the K-Tone quick release.
This is dope how this works.
Yeah, it makes life so much easier. Like, even one person, like,
look at that.
What's that?
So meanwhile, Norman is lifting up the car. I'm sitting inside the EK3 right now, and just started thinking, what if I put these seats on the FK8, being that this car probably won't be seeing the streets this summer. We decided to make the EK3 into like a winter build series, so it'll be K-swapped, painted, all that good stuff over the winter time. Figured that would be awesome content for you guys. So right now I'm like brainstorming on what to do with the FK8. I do have quite a few parts coming in from Art of Attack. Shout out to them for always hooking us up. Yeah, so I was thinking about putting these seats, the Recaro SPGs, one of my all-time favorite seats, into the Type R. I feel like it's something a little bit different for sure. So what do you guys think? Should I put the SPGs into the FK8? Let me know in the comments below. Let's see if Norman's done over there.
Yeah, my engine bay is fucked, yo. It's crazy.
You know, it's just typical car stuff. Yeah, it should be quick, right? Relatively quick.
Yep.
My man is stressed right now. What's the issue?
Getting bit
Mosquitoes?
by mosquitoes. That's the issue. The issue is I can't even put my the pressure sensor for the auto reader because it's too close right here and it smacks. And I can't put it over here because my exhaust sits there. Maybe I could turn it a little bit. But then I have my other line that's supposed to sit there, which is the return line for the turbo. And that means it'll sit too high. So I'm like
You're in a pickle right now.
I'm in a little pickle.
Drink yourself to the sun.
I need to get sponsored by them.
Yeah, it's not Red Bull anymore. No Red Bull anymore. Now we need. This is the new wave right here.
Healthy.
This right here. Oh, I can't. This camera sucks today, boy. Well, you get the picture.
Celsius.
Almost there. It turned on.
I think we did a good job.
Calibration a little bit.
Well, we had to push it out. Now we
drove it in.
Are we gonna keep it on the road now?
Yeah. Put it on the road. Yeah, it does.
Alright.
Yo.
It turned on after a while.
Turned on after what? How many? What? Like 2 weeks? 3 weeks?
About 3 weeks,
3
give or take.
Yeah.
And that's it. So we might be ready for
Seventh
Day.
day? Yeah. We'll see. We'll take it to 7 days and get it going with the rest of the cars.
Yes. So I don't know. I know we for sure taking this. I don't know if I'm taking the Type R.
Taking the AMG too.
Taking the AMG. Yeah, so stay tuned for more content. This is a quick one.
Later.
So yeah, stay tuned for more. Like, share, subscribe. You already know. Peace till next time.